So, Merry Christmas, everyone. I just wanted to give an update to where we are in terms of the Workplace for Good and moving to a new platform. What we've decided to do is go with Speap, and the reason for that is, first of all, they're offering us a free version, which is a great start. And as our charity grows and organization grows, if there's budget later on, we can allocate to that. The trouble is, our platform was built and our service was built on the Workplace for Good initiative, which we started in 2016, and we grew with the product. So the roadmap that Meta came up with at the time really helped us in terms of Facebook having a lot of presence, ubiquity in the world, their Instagram roadmap, their WhatsApp, that really helped us with things like onboarding and reducing the costs of training people. But the world has changed quite a bit since then. And how Speap has really worked for us, well, first of all, they personally are very generous with their time and resources in helping us, understanding our problem and getting to know us. And what's great about the platform is it's easy to use. It integrates with Google very well. And what we've been able to do is create our own app, which we've been able to upload onto the App Store and the Play Store. This makes distribution a lot easier for us as well. Going forward, there are a couple of teething issues which we need to work around and to design things differently. Personally, I think it's better than Workplace in the sense that it kind of works for us. Our size of our organizations, we've had about 2,000 students come through our organization. Of those 2,000 students, about 200 stick around and get certified. And of that, about 20 can go and become facilitators. So this really helps us in expanding on our work. Our demographic is global, but working from a third world perspective, so we don't really have the first world resources. So things like access, bandwidth, mobile data, things like that are really important to us. And so it's integrating very well. What I do like about it is we can use Google Calendar and link that into the app, and it basically just works. So it's working really well. And and I just want to thank Phil for helping us and supporting us in putting this together. So big shout out to you, Phil. And so we're now downloading our Workplace instance, and we'll see how that goes. All right, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.